Welcome back. This is Elsam. Today we are going to be solving this algebraic problem. We have 3 raised to the power a plus 3 raised to the power b equal to 36. And now we have to find a plus b. So we have to solve for a plus b. Excited to solve with me? Let's go. Okay, so what we have is 3 to the power a plus 3 to the power b equal to 36. Now, let's break 36 to a sum. So, 3a plus 3b can be broken into 27 plus 9. Now, I'm watching for those that can give me a power of 3. So, 27 and 9. So let's go on. So 3a plus 3b equal to 27 is 3 raised to the power 3, right? 3 times 3 times 3 is 27 plus 9 is 3 squared. 3 squared. Now if you compare, we have 3 plus 3 and powers. 3 plus 3 and powers. So if we are to compare this 3 raised to the power a, comparing these two sides, will be equal to 3 raised to the power 3. And then this 3 raised to the power b, the second side, 3 raised to the power b is equal to 3 raised to the power 2. Like we are comparing first, second. So from here, we can equate the powers so that a is equal to 3. And from this second equation, we can equate the powers also so that b is equal to 2. Now coming back to our original question, we have to look for a plus b. So a plus b will be equal to 3 plus 2, and which is 5. So that's our answer. So kindly subscribe to this channel to keep getting interesting solutions to mathematical problems. I remain Elsam.